everyone, it's Tammy, and for today's Foodie Friday we're going to make a chicken Parmesan casserole. So it's a little different from regular chicken Parmesan, but it seems like it's going to be a lot easier. I have not made this before, but I have a feeling it will be great. So I'm just spraying my pan with some olive oil, and this is a misto sprayer. You can get these online at Amazon, or you can find them, I believe, at Bed Bath & Beyond and Target, Kohl's, places like that. And you just put your own oil in it, and it's fabulous. I'm going to serve this with a salad. So first thing you need is some chicken breast. Mine is almost thawed out. There's a piece in here that isn't quite thawed yet, it feels like. Trying to find the right knife. I'll just use this one. Okay, so I'm going to open up my chicken, and I think I'm just going to use 2 of these chicken breasts because I'm cooking for 3 of us, but I don't eat very much, as you guys know, anymore. So I think if I just made 2 chicken breasts, I think that would be plenty. Ugh. I hate touching chicken, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So let me cut off the visible fat. Okay. And then I'm just going to cut this into pieces. You could lay it down as regular breast pieces. I mean, that's the thing with recipes, guys. You can make them your own, however you want. I should have cut my mozzarella cheese first on this cutting board, because now I'm gonna have to wash it, and yuck. Nobody likes chicken when it's raw. This is actually Monday that we're having this. So it's going to be a simple kind of a weekday meal too. I'm sure you could prepare it early. Actually, I'm kind of doing that now because we're not going to be ready to eat when I'm done with this. And it takes it depends on how thick your chicken is. Because I'm cutting it into chunks, it's probably not going to take that long, but it could take an hour to cook. So, you know, just know that. But I'm cutting mine up, so I'm thinking it's going to take about 35 minutes or so, maybe 45. I don't like to make chicken, like to make it early, as you guys have probably seen. I like to cook my chicken very well because, well, just because everybody does. I don't know why I even bothered to say that. Nobody likes raw chicken. And I'm going to keep that other breast. I'm just going to put it in a Ziploc bag and save it. Okay, so this is my trash. I'm going to throw this away and I'll be right back. Wash my hands. Okay, so I have put the chicken in there. I've washed my hands, washed this, and now I'm going to cut some fresh mozzarella. And if you want to use the already shredded kind, you're more than welcome to. Do whatever works for you. We love this fresh mozzarella. It's really, really good. And I'm just going to chunk it. I'm not even gonna really measure or care too much. Just put them in here. And I'm gonna use about, I don't know, half, maybe a little less than half. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some marinara sauce. I wonder if I can open it. There we go. I'm going to pour some of that down. And then I'm taking some Tastefully Simple Mamma Mia sauce. Just because we like this and I have it. If I didn't have it, I wouldn't say it was necessary. And then also some Italian seasoning. And I'm gonna say it's about a half tablespoon total, maybe 3/4 of a, not tablespoon, teaspoon. No, probably a teaspoon at least total. And then you're going to take some croutons. If you want to make some homemade ones, I'm sure that would be delectable. These are seasoned, and I'm just going to sprinkle them on top. And I was thinking about just doing it on half because I won't eat them, but at the same time, I won't eat very much, so I'll just put it on all of it, and whoever, you know, that way I won't have half of it because I'll just pick out what I want to eat. And so there are the croutons on top, and then we're going to do another layer of cheese, followed by some marinara and some spices. And then you bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for between 40 minutes and an hour, I would say, depending on how thick your chicken is. And this time I am going to use all the mozzarella. I might serve this with some pasta, so I'm going to go ahead and use the whole thing of marinara sauce. And then I can have either some zucchini noodles for myself or just no noodles, and maybe make some noodles for my guys. So I'm putting my Italian seasoning on top and the Mamma Mia marinara. And then this will go in the oven, like I said, at 350. And I will have to put it on something so as it won't spill over. Well, if it does spill over, it won't make a mess in my oven. So then I'm just going to make a salad of some tomatoes and hard-boiled egg and some lettuce. That's, I think, all I have, and maybe some cheese if we want it, but I don't know with all of this cheese if we would need any, and if the guys want to put some croutons on them, they can. So that is what we're going to have for dinner, and I will show you when this comes out of the oven. So thanks so much. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm going to take out the dinner. Figure out which drawer my things are in. And it smells fabulous. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. It did spill a little bit, but not much, but I'm glad I had it in something so that it wouldn't be too bad. And while that's cooling a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and put the salad together. So let me get that out. rinsed all of the salad and attempted to dry it with my paper towels. It kind of feels frozen now. My refrigerator must be pretty cold. You guys can see. It's very exciting stuff. You want to see this for sure. Okay, I think I'm just going to put that. I think I'll just use it on plates. So I get 2 big plates, one for my husband, one for my son, and then I get a small saucer for myself because I can't eat very much still. So I think I'll just take some of the lettuce and put it on each person's plate. Know if they'll eat all that, but we'll try. Maybe I'll put another piece on there for me in case I can. And I will just take my egg and cut it in half. Few slices on everyone's. I think this one will be my son's. And I'm just cutting this up a little bit. I don't know if you can see me or not. And then I'm going to take some tomatoes. And I'm just going to chop them up a little bit. Trying to be careful, I really am. There, I'll just do it that way. My husband doesn't like these kind of tomatoes very well, so I'm just going to give him 2. And I think that's enough for my son too. So that's our salad, and then I know we have different choices of dressing that they can use. But I might just put some on them anyway. Or have some opened. I have this Walden Farms Ranch. It's calorie free. It's really good too, so that's what I'm going to use on mine. Just a little drizzle, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this on Alex's and a little bit on Dennis's. And then I'm also going to put some of this Olive Garden Italian on theirs as well. I probably should wait because Alex may not eat right now and Dennis is sleeping, but oh well. I'm going for it because Otherwise I'll have to do it later. And then I will give them a few croutons. And then now I think we can dish out the chicken Parmesan. I was like, what is this called? I couldn't remember. I'm pretty sure this chicken has to be done. Yeah, it looks done. Ooh, and I'm making a mess now. So again, this has the Parmesan, not Parmesan. I'm calling it chicken Parmesan, but it doesn't have any Parmesan. It has mozzarella. It does have some Italian seasonings. It has crouton, and it also has mozzarella cheese, fresh mozzarella cheese, which is my favorite. And I'll put a little on Alex's. And I chopped up the chicken, if you guys remember, so that's why it's a little harder to get out, but and then this one's for Dennis. Trying to make sure he gets some chicken in there because he likes that. All right, so there are our plates. We still have plenty left over, and I'm going to grab a fork. I'll go ahead and grab 3. Oh, no, that's right. Dennis and me. And I'm going to just try a little bit of this chicken with a little bit of this cheese and let you know what I think. My cat wants some. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Really good. Oh, I hope you guys try that because it is yummy. And I'm going to put a little bit of pepper on our salads. Oh, that's so good. And that is dinner. So I hope that you guys try it and I hope you like it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.